iPhone 3G, 3GS, home button repair. Warning: this repair will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. On a level scale, this is a hard repair, and it will take about 20 minutes to complete. To perform this repair, you will need 00 Phillips Screwdriver, Spudger, metal Pry Tool, small suction cap, precision knife, heat gun. Optional, we recommend using Magmat for all your repair needs. To see Magmat in action, see our Magmat video. All these products and tools can be purchased at iPhoneRepairMiamiBeach.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter. Turn off your iPhone. Remove the two bottom screws next to the dock connector. Place a small suction cap next to the home button and gently pull the glass assembly away from the back housing. The glass assembly is still connected to the iPhone by several cables, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Use a spudger to disconnect LCD and digitizer cables. Lift the flap and pull out the proximity flex cable. Remove the following 6 Phillips screws. Carefully insert a metal pry tool between the two metal rails along the edge of the display assembly. Gently rotate it to lift the LCD up from the glass. Use heat gun at the low heat settings. Heat the glass for about 60 seconds and make sure not to melt rubber or plastic parts. Use a spudger to separate bottom part of the glass from the frame. Use tweezers to remove the home button flex from the frame. Peel the home flex off the home button. To reassemble your device, follow the steps in reverse order.